It's a very tedious process. So we need patience, and we have to go through the relevant PNIDs. We have to go through relevant documentation. We need to go for sometimes HAJOP also. We will go for sometimes SEAL also. This is a really tedious process and patientful process. So I need, of course, your support. And this is the steps we are going to follow. We will validate the alarm first. Then we will identify the causes, corrective actions, and confirmations and consequence of the inaction. Then we will qualify the response time. We will prioritize the alarm. We will categorize the alarm. Alarm set point we will identify. And of course, we will identify the attributes of alarm. And guys, this is the team. We need a process, instrument as a minimum. And this is how we are going to do.
Berker, please.
Yeah.
Go to the back slide, please. When we have the example for the alarm rationalization.
Slide 16, I think. Slide 16.
No, yeah, this one. Can you zoom in, please? Here you refer to level alarm high or level alarm high only, because our nomenclature refer to high.
No, this is example I have taken from the snap from other project. This is only for example.
Okay. Yeah, okay. But then again, would it be high? Because high is already the trip.
Related to the function, to the safe function.
Yeah. I mean, don't go for the nomenclature or legend. This is only for example, and I have taken from the. Okay, bro. So now, I mean, in the alarm rationalization, I will make you familiarization about some terminology, because these terminologies are very important for us. See, in this workshop, we will qualify the alarm classes, process alarm, fire and gas alarm, or ESDs, and other type. So this, I mean, we need to understand and we need to know. Second thing, in this workshop, we will talk more about P1, P2, P3, and general with P4. So what is P1 is high, P2 is medium, P3 is low. This I will go with the risk matrix. I will explain you. So you will hear many times what is the alarm priority. We will say P1, P2, P3. This P1, P2, P3 will be qualified systematically. It is not my decision. It will be decision based on the risk matrix. I will take you through. After that, we are going to see the urgency time. 0 to 5 minutes, what Guru was saying, that immediate action. 5 to 15 is rapid.